Hello and welcome if this is your first time. I am Cassandra. This video will be a week 6 and week 7 update on my seedlings started indoors in zone 6B. The first part of this video will be a short montage on where my seedlings are in week 6, just so you can get an idea of what they're looking like and how they're growing. And then in week 7, I will show you how I thin my pepper and tomato plants and then repotted in bigger containers. Thank you for being here. Please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So today I am thinning these pepper plants. There's about 2 to 3 in each one. And I just think it's a good time to start thinning them out, especially these ones. They're getting a little leggy and I want them in their own little cells. I'm also thinning these tomato plants and they're telling me that they need their own space. They just haven't been doing so great the last couple days, and I feel like that's their way of telling me that they're just overcrowded. So if you can see, there's about 3 in each one. This one even has 4 back here. And I am putting them in these handy dandy red cups / blue cups with some drainage holes that I already did last night. Just used a box cutter. And that's what we're doing today. So I do want to show you what I'm using. I know this is the biggest question I see online. Basically, what do you use when you're still indoors? And I'm just using this potting soil. I just picked this up from one of my local nurseries. I got a couple bags and it's been lasting pretty well. And I'm mixing just a little bit of this in here because they are still growing and I want to let them have as much room as possible and just kind of lighten up the soil because this is some really rich potting soil. Just keep in mind that seed starting mix is usually just for seed starting, and then when you do pot them up, you want to pot them with some potting soil so that way they get nutrients and they start getting used to the richer soil they'll be in outdoors. So again, here are my cups with my drainage holes, which are crucial, especially if you'll be bottom watering. That is going to be the way the water gets in. Here's the first layer of the soil and perlite mixed together, and then one more layer before adding in the plants. Look at these roots already. It is definitely time for these poor tomatoes to be on their own, and they do hate their roots to be disturbed, so I'm a little late in the game, but I was able to thin and transplant them just fine. As you can see, I am running out of room and there was no more space underneath these lights to put any other plants, so we gotta get going. Be sure to subscribe for more updates and take care.